hope all of you are fine at home. Today we will learn the topic malaria, which is under class 5, subject EVS, chapter number 18, dealing in water. Students, in our previous video, we have learned about the mosquitoes, different characteristics of mosquitoes, and we have found that the disease malaria is caused by the mosquitoes. The disease malaria is caused by the bite of an infected female Anopheles mosquito. Please remember it properly. The disease malaria is caused by the bite of an infected female Anopheles mosquito. We have learned in our previous video that the female mosquitoes bite us. So the disease malaria is caused by the bite of an infected female Anopheles mosquito. When a female mosquito bites a person suffering from malaria, it sucks the malaria-causing parasite named Plasmodium along with the blood. So what happens when a female Anopheles mosquito bites a person who is already suffering from the disease malaria? So that person who is already suffering from the disease malaria contains the malaria-causing organism or the malaria-causing parasite named Plasmodium in his blood. So when the female Anopheles mosquito sits on the body of that person who is already having that malaria parasite Plasmodium in his body, then what happens? When the female mosquito sucks that person's blood, the parasite also comes into the female Anopheles mosquito's body along with the blood, and that female Anopheles mosquito gets infected with that parasite. Now, next what happens when the infected mosquito bites a healthy person. Now, when that infected mosquito containing that malaria-causing parasite in its body, when it bites a healthy person, the parasite is injected into his blood, causing malaria. So, when that infected female Anopheles mosquito next bites a healthy person, then that parasite, that malaria-causing parasite, is injected into the body of the healthy person, causing malaria, and that healthy person then gets infected with the disease malaria. Now students, here it is written parasite. What do you mean by the word parasite? A parasite is an organism that lives on or in a host organism and gets its food from the host organism, and in turn harms the host organism. Now we will learn about symptoms of malaria. A person suffering from malaria gets high fever, severe headache and shivering. A person can also suffer from fatigue, that is tiredness, joint pain, vomiting and nausea. The presence of malaria can be confirmed by a blood test. Next, we will learn about the prevention of malaria. Do not let water stagnate in or around the house in puddles. Always use covered dustbins to dispose garbage. Change the water of the water coolers regularly. If this is not possible, put a spoonful of kerosene oil in the tank of the cooler. Oil being light floats on water and thus prevents mosquitoes from laying eggs. Spray DDT, which is an insecticide. That means it kills the insects. Spray DDT around the areas where mosquitoes may breed. Put wire mesh on windows and doors to prevent mosquitoes from entering the house. Use mosquito repellents and coils in the room at night. Use mosquito nets to cover the beds. So students, this is all about today's topic, that is malaria. I hope you have understood today's topic properly. So study properly at home, keep watching the